all, welcome back to the channel. You are now viewing a frame of restored and documented 1968 Chevrolet RS or SS Camaro with the highly collectible 396 or 325 horsepower engine. It went through a complete frame-off restoration. The rear quarters were replaced along with the front header and front fender extensions. The body was painted in its original butternut yellow color. A new black vinyl top was installed. All of the chrome, trim and badges are in excellent condition. Rally wheels with Goodyear polyglass tires are on all four corners. This Camaro has the SS stripes, RS grille and front and rear spoilers. Overall, the exterior is stunning. Most of the black standard interior remains original and in excellent condition. This interior is equipped with powered drum brakes, radio delete, automatic transmission with console and low back bucket seats. Under the hood is the matching numbers 396 or 325 horsepower engine that was rebuilt at the time of the restoration. The matching numbers Turbo 400 transmission was also rebuilt during the restoration. The date code correct rear is a 12-bolt posi traction unit spinning a set of 3.73 gears. This rear was also rebuilt at the time of the restoration. Yeah.